Changing your name and email on GetResponse can be a bit tricky if you don't know exactly where to go or what steps to follow. But don't worry, by the end of this quick explainer, you'll know how to make those changes in just a few minutes. Stay tuned, because we'll also cover a great alternative to GetResponse that might even be a better fit for your needs. First things first, log in to your GetResponse account. You'll land on your dashboard where you manage your campaigns, contacts, and automation. From here, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. This is where you can update your account settings. So click there and select Account Settings from the drop-down. Next thing, you'll see a menu with a few different options. To change your name or email, click on Profile from the left sidebar. This is the area where you can make updates to personal information tied to your GetResponse account. Now, to update your name, it's simple. Just click into the field next to First Name or Last Name and type in your new name. But keep in mind, your name change may take a little time to propagate across the platform, so don't be alarmed if you don't see the update right away. The third thing you'll want to do is change your email. Right below your name, there's an email address field. Just click on it, delete the current address, and enter your new email. After entering the new email, GetResponse will send a confirmation email to that address to verify the change. Once you confirm the change, your email will be updated. It's that easy. Now, after making these changes, there's something important to know. GetResponse can be a bit slow when it comes to syncing these updates across your entire account. So if you notice your name or email still showing up incorrectly in some places, it's worth waiting a little while or refreshing your browser. The fourth thing I want to mention is that while GetResponse does have these options available, it's not the most intuitive user interface when it comes to managing your account settings. If you're someone who likes a more streamlined and efficient platform for email marketing, you might find GetResponse a bit clunky for day-to-day tasks. Which brings me to the end. I've got a great alternative for you. If you're looking for an email marketing solution with a smoother experience, I highly recommend checking out Insert Competitor software here. With this alternative, you'll get a much more user-friendly interface, better automation features, and customer support that's on another level. Now, here's the best part. Through the link in the description, you can grab an exclusive and extended free trial of the software, which is a limited-time offer only available to our viewers. You'll also get some exclusive benefits when you sign up using the link. So, if you want to take your email marketing to the next level with a software that's not only powerful, but also easier to use, make sure to check it out. You won't regret it. And don't forget to grab your free trial. It's the perfect opportunity to see if this solution works for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.